Hi guys, so today we are going to use a lag function, which is a very important function based on window. So by the use of lag function we can get the previous row data based on any column. So suppose we have a we have a company and we are giving salary on day-to-day basis for worker as a wages. So suppose on Monday we have given 10,000, on Tuesday we have given 12,000, in Wednesday we have given 15,000. But now we have to compare the wages we have given to the people. So suppose if I want to compare what we have given on Monday, so I want to compare on Tuesday what was the wages I have given on Monday. So I want a previous row. So on these situation we use lag function. So lag function as a definition, this is a Windows function which will give the previous row based on order of any other column. And we also need to use the over clause. So if we are using a over clause, we also need to do a over order by. So how will be the function? So suppose we are getting the previous row, so this will be we should go with the example, then it will be easy for understand. So I'll use database, which is SQL practice problem. So this I'll use. This is completed. Now I'll make one CTE. So with CTE 1 as select all from which column, from which data, salary month wise. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just check this select all from CT1. Let's use this. Great, we have got the error. And what is the error? With we have a error, and if the common table or a chain tracking contains clause, the previous statement must be terminated with semicolon. So the previous statement we have to terminate. Now we have terminate this, okay, with semicolon. So this is the semicolon we have used. Now let's see what happens. Okay, now I'm getting this table. So so we have got the data which is based on month January, February, March, and we are also getting the salary 1,000, 2,500 and 6,000. So this is our data. Now what we have to do, we want to do the comparison of we want to get the previous salary as well. So suppose if I'm seeing Feb salary, so I want a new column where I can see the salary of Feb, salary of January, which is 1,000. Then I can do the further analysis as per the requirement from the business end. So for this, what we can do, I'll make another column in here. I'll use lag, which is a very important formula. So this is a very important function. So lag we are using. Now if we are using lag, so we first have to understand column name. Column name I want, and then lag value output if null. So first I need what I want to get as a previous row. I want to get the salary. Okay, and what is the kind of lag I want? So I just want a lag of one row. Okay, so I'll write one. What if the value gets null? So I don't want anything, I'll just keep as null. So this will be previous salary. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll run this CT. Again we have got the error. Why we are getting the error? Because we have to use the over clause. That is the thing. So as we are using like Windows function, we have to use over and then order by what? Order by salary I'll do, because salary is also in an increasing order. So I'll just delete this. See, salary is in increasing order. So if I want January, February, March as a comparison value, so I have to use giving the order by salary. If I'll give order by months, what will happen? Feb will come first, then Jan, then March. So we will not able to compare. But if we have a increasing order value, so we are able to do. So then salary is having increasing order, because in January it was 1000, in Feb it increased, in March it also increased. So this is why we can use a uh, over with salary. Okay, so this we have done now. Okay, so now we have got Jan, Feb, March, and we have also got the previous salary. Yes, previous salary. Okay, so this previous salary we have got. Now I also want the difference. So I want the difference with my current salary as well as with my previous salary as a difference. So I'm getting the difference. So my current salary is in February 2500, and the previous salary which was in January month was 1000. The difference is 1500. Same is with 6000. So 6000 is current salary for March, and in previous it was in February it was 2500, and the difference we are getting 3500. So that is the thing. Now what I'll do, I'll make another with clause. So I'll not use like this. So it is very important, if we are making another temporary table, so we have to use the comma, because comma will help to make another with CTE. Comma will help to make another CTE. So with we can make CTE1, we can also make CTE2 based on CTE1. Okay, as select all. So I want all of these things. Now I also do the percentage difference. Suppose in earlier month I had a salary of 100, but in next month I am getting 120. So the difference is 20, and I am getting an increase of 20%. So this 20% I want to understand. This 20% I want to get. So I'll do what? CT1 dot difference. So this I'll do. I'll divide this difference with previous salary, because so what I am doing, getting the what is the percentage difference I am getting. So as percentage different. Okay, from CT12. So with comma we are able to make new city. Now I'll do the selection. Select start from CT2. Let's check this. We are getting the error. Then select. Okay, select. Okay, I have to do the bracket Okay, and we will execute this. Okay, so now we are getting the values. So percentage. So see, my salary in current month is 2500. I think we have, okay, 2500, and in previous month is what, 1000. So in increment I have got, so increment not I am, but it increment it is 1500. So 1500 divided by 1000, so it should be 150%, but we are getting 100. So for this we have to convert this value as decimal. So cast, so we can use cast as decimal, 7 comma 2. So this we have to use. Let's see what happens. So this as is getting problem. Okay, it will get across. Let's see what is okay. Still it is not okay. Now it will be okay. Yeah, now it will be okay. So see, now we are getting 150 and 140% increment. So it is nice now. So what we want to get, we are able to get with the help of lag windows function. So it's a very important thing what we have learned today. So we have learned how we can use with CTE, and if we are using with CTE, so when we are starting with clause, we have to break previous statement. So we have to use the semicolon, and now we can use any CTE we want. Okay, so and also if we are making multiple CTEs, so if we have finished one CTE, we have to use comma, and then again we have to start with new CTE. So with only one with statement we can make multiple CTE with comma. So CTE 1 as whatever the statement I want, that, and then comma CTE 2, which can also be based on CTE 1. So that is the thing we have did. And we have also used very important thing, lag, which is based on overclause. And also we understood how we can convert the value as a decimal, so that we can get a percentage different in a proper manner, otherwise we will not able to get that. So this was in today's video, and it's a very important video I would say, which is not able help you to understand lag function, but also how we can use multiple with a statement, how we can proceed with a statement during our SQL querying, and also how we can convert any particular value into a different kind of data type, like decimal, which we have currently converted. So that is from my end, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. That's it.